morning, welcome to today's vlog. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. So in today's vlog, it's a day in the life vlog. We're going on the road, we're going to run some errands. We have to pump our bicycles because they're a hot mess. Second, we need to eat some food, people are hungry. And third, we're heading into Natay to get some preliminary baby stuff bought from the list, because I swear I have been getting so nervous because I'm currently 5 months pregnant and not a single thing is bought for baby flex yet, and I'm kind of getting anxiety. So we decided we're going to hop into Natay today to try to get some preliminary stuff. Like we need to get a dresser situation going, so we're going to buy some of the plastic drawer things to create a little dresser situation in the room, and then some minor little stuff that we need to pick up from Daiso, because guess what, not everything has to be expensive. If you can get it in the dollar store, then get it in the dollar store. You don't have to buy expensive stuff to be a good mom, and that is some encouragement that I am giving to whichever mama that needs to hear that right now. You do not need name brand stuff, you do not need all of these fancy things. As long as it works and it's affordable, you get that. Your baby does not even care. So that is what we're doing in today's video. If you're new, of course, welcome to the Nats fam. I am so happy that you decided to spend a little bit of your time today with me. But let's hop on the road and get some errands run. So because Adam's bicycle is flat, we actually have to push the bicycles instead of ride them. So it's going to take double as much time, double the time it would take for us to ride, because we're going kind of farish. You guys, I swear, me and Adam, we consistently break Japanese road rules. I don't know why. Like, we just found ourselves walking through somewhere that only cars should be driving through. It's crazy. But we finish having breakfast and lunch in one. Brunch, yes. And now we're heading to Natay to see if we can get some stuff for baby flex. Hopefully. Whoa. And that's the bicycle place calling.
Hi, moshi. Hi. Oh, わかりましたですね。じゃあいくらですか？1100？はい、あ、オッケーオッケー。うん、なるほどです。はい、20分ぐらい。はい、ありがとうございました。How about man? Toast not.
I always say on Instagram that Adam is the best Japanese speaker out there. Now you have example. Like that was a whole phone conversation in 100% Japanese, and he did not stutter. So when I say Adam,
Look up on the conversation.
no.
Familiar topics.
Well, to be honest, he does struggle some of the time, because I think, yeah, when we were dealing with PAL system, that's a grocery delivery service here in Japan, he really struggled with having a conversation with them on the phone, because I guess they weren't slowing down and they were talking like super Japanese-ish, you know, not the simple type. So yeah, he struggled with that, but generally Adam is good at having conversations and stuff. Adam, you must give yourself credit when you realize that you are good at something. You don't have to beat yourself down.
I'm not beating myself down, but sometimes it's just a little bit of modesty, you know?
No. If you're good at something, give yourself credit for being good at something.
You want to toot my horn, no puns intended, you can go ahead.
You can toot your own horns too.
Know, biologically speaking, physiologically I can't do that. And that wouldn't be advised either.
Listen,
Guys, do not toot your own horn no matter how desperate you get.
Listen, I don't know what he's talking about, but there is nothing wrong with giving yourself credit for the things that you are good at. nothing wrong. So if you are good at something, toot your own horn. There's nothing wrong with being a little self-hyped, you know what I mean? So that was the bicycle shop. I guess the bicycles are ready, but we're already on our way walking to Natay. So Natay, I guess, is another 10-minute maybe walk. So we're on our way there. And it is super hot in Japan now. It's summer, it's burning, it's humid. For rain. Raindrop is a drop of water with the size of more than 0.5 millimeter in diameter and comes down from the sky. I mean, thank you Natay for telling us something that we absolutely did not know. Adam is buying house slippers. I don't like the feeling of any of these. They're tough. So what's wrong with it? Can't fit?
I want to elevate a little bit better.
So I'm trying to find a hamper for baby flex, like to keep dirty clothes in, and then I'm not seeing anything like I had in mind, but I am seeing this one, and it's a bit tall in terms of the height that I needed to fit a lot of stuff, but it's still not exactly what I am looking for, so I don't know if I should pick this up. It is affordable. It's like for 814 yen plus tax. It's pretty decent, but I'm still not sure if I should keep looking or get this one. So we have a few options. I like this. This is like very stylish, and it's on a rocking thing, like I don't know why, but I like this. It's tall, it's opaque, and it can hold lots of stuff. How much for this, Adam? Adam seems to really like this denim looking bag for toys.
Sturdy.
Is this enough for toys? But look how much money for it. Like for a toy basket though.
Yeah, but you spend $2.5 on the hamper. Why not spend this?
Because the hamper is important. Toy basket is just whatever.
Same thing?
Yes, it is the same thing. Adam is set on the denim basket. Oh, look at them holding hands. So cute. Blankets and crib stuff. Like the crib futon. Adam says his hands feel like sausage. He has to breathe his hand out because we were carrying all of this stuff from Natay to Ian Mall because our bicycles are in Ian Mall. So we had to walk with all of this stuff from Natay, which is about 10 minutes walk. So our hands are like really sausage right now. Well, that was really a hassle, you guys, because the drawers could not hold in the bicycle. So Adam had to make 2 trips back, which is like a 20-minute ride. Adam had to make 2 trips back to the apartment building to bring down 2 of the drawers, and then on the last trip we both brought the other 2 drawers down. So that was a bit of a hassle. It took us like 1 hour to get from Ian with what we bought at Natay to come back to the apartment, and then now we're going to go to Daiso to just finish up everything that we said we were going to buy today, and then it will be time to, I guess, rest in the house. But we are so tired. As you can see, my face is shine, and this is not moisturizer, honey. This is sweat, okay? Dried sweat. Like, I feel so sticky and icky. I swear, we need a car. I cannot wait for the day when I can say we own because being a walk foot is crazy. Mr. Webb is coming. Tired?
Ready for your road now.
Adam is being such a trooper today. Alright, let's head to Daiso. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are finally like finished shopping for the day. Like we left out in the middle of the day and now it's probably like maybe 7 p.m. It's dark outside. And look how greasy I am. I just need a shower, man. All in all, it was a fun day though. I feel like we did good with what we got. So this is outside, everybody. It is black out. It is fully nighttime. I don't think we're gonna do much when we head in. We still have to order groceries because we have no groceries in the house and nothing to cook tomorrow. So if we put in a grocery order tonight, then we can get it tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning or midday, and then we can have food for the week. So we're going to go in now, put all of these stuff down, and maybe do a haul for you guys. I am not sure, but the game plan for when we get in is for maybe us to take a bath, well not a bath, a shower, clean up, because being outside for so many hours is kind of, you know, gross and sticky. Adam is going to get on cooking dinner, something very simple, and I'm going to get on ordering groceries. He's like so ready, but you know, I gotta vlog for you guys. So that is the game plan for when we go inside. And yeah, I can show you guys how we order groceries here in Japan, and it's something I recently found out too, so it's super interesting. So let me just hop on this bicycle so we can go. Alright you guys, so we are back in and I have showered. Adam is now showering and I'm just setting myself up at the dining room table to do the grocery order as I said I was going to do. So I have my grocery list right here, and this is just like a printable that I made myself for to, you know, like to organize my grocery list and stuff, like what's produced, what is frozen, what is just regular staples, drinks, meat, all of that stuff. I kind of separate them just to make grocery shopping a little easier when I was actually going into the supermarket. So if you want me to really like fix up this thing, because it's by no means pretty, it's just something I created to make my life easier. But I don't know about your grocery shopping. Like, do you find it difficult to go into the store and you just have everything on a piece of paper, and you find that when you're in the frozen section and you think you're done, you go into another section and then you have to go back to the frozen section to get something because you just reached that particular product on the list at that time? And yeah, I found that too time consuming, so I make my grocery list, and everything that I'm supposed to get in the frozen section, I write it under frozen. Everything I'm supposed to get under maybe produce, you know, like an avocado, cabbage, all of that stuff, I write it down, so I'm not up and down and all over the grocery store. So if you like me to fix this up a bit and make it available to you guys, you know, like a printable, something that you can download and print for yourself, let me know down in the comments and I could do that for you. Trust me, it has been a lifesaver for me because I don't have the time, I swear to you, I don't. So I'm just sitting here with my computer. I'm going to log on to Eon, that is where we're doing the grocery shopping, and just place my order tonight. Hopefully I can get a time slot for maybe in the morning tomorrow or at least midday tomorrow. So that is what I'll be doing, and I can walk you guys through how I shop on Eon for groceries, just in case you're in Japan and you want to do something like this. I have mentioned it on Instagram before, so if you follow me over there, then this is not the first time you're hearing about grocery ordering on Eon. Alright you guys, I have to apologize for this weird angle of filming, but the built-in screen recorder on this computer is not working right now, and I do not have the time to like find one and download it, even though it probably take me only 3 minutes. I don't have 3 minutes to spare. But I'm just quickly showing you what the Eon website looks like. So you go on Google, you log into your Eon, and what are you looking for, honey? and you go onto the site. You have to sign up to become like a member. It's free, but basically when you're ordering groceries, it has a list of all the categories of things where you can shop. So like fish, sashimi, seaweed, vegetables and fruits, eggs, milk, dairy products, bread and jam. So everything is really categorized, and you can just, based on your grocery list, you can just like shop. Water and beverages, this is where you find your water and your juices and all of that stuff. Daily necessities, home and kitchen and pets, that's where you find like your bleach and your washing detergent and stuff like that. And then you simply just add to basket. It shows you what is out of stock. As you can see, you put in the quantity of stuff that you need, and then you proceed. So it's really the same as shopping online, just like you shop on Amazon. You scroll, you search, and then you add things to cart, and then you check out. You can choose cash on delivery, or you can actually check out with a credit card. When you do cash on delivery though, you have to basically be home for the delivery, because obviously you have to pay for your goods. But if you pay via card, then you have the option to have them leave the stuff outside the door, just in case you are not at home to collect it. You already paid, so they have no problem with leaving your stuff. So I'm just going to see if I can quickly wrap up my grocery order, send that in, and then we see where the night takes us. It is 8:32 p.m. right now, so it's kind of getting late, and Adam is preparing some dinner. So hey guys, dinner is served by the husband. This is some tuna with some cabbage in there and rice. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of hot sauce in this bad boy. Need some ketchup on my rice. Wow, that's a lot of pepper. And then I'm ready to eat, but I'm still ordering groceries, so we're riding and whistling. I'm still at my desk. Well, not my desk, but I'm still at the kitchen table trying to order groceries. It's been 2 hours. It's been a very, very long time, but I really feel as if it's taking this long because it's the first time doing an actual big 2-week kind of grocery shopping on the site. So it's taking me a while to like really go through all of the categories, select what I want, and then some of the things I cannot really find, so I have to like go on Google and find the Japanese name and then plug it in the search bar on the Eon website. So it's taking a bit of time, but I feel as if this is only because it's the first time, and of course I have to sift through all of the categories to find what I want. But what I am doing though is, once I find the products that I want, I put them into a favorites list, so the next time I shop I can just go into my favorites list and then select what I need from there. And then I think it will be much easier from then on. So that is what we have been doing. So I'm going to end today's vlog here. Sorry I did not get to the haul of what we got for baby flex, but I promise you guys are not missing out on a lot, because we only got some dresser drawers. As you would have seen, we got those in Natay, and we got clothes hangers for when we do laundry for baby flex and stuff like that. You guys will be seeing in coming videos, so it's not a big deal if we didn't get to it in this video. But it is late. It is like 10:15 p.m. right now, so I'm going to put the camera down and just focus on completing this list. I hope you guys enjoyed spending a portion of your day with us. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post the video. Until next time, bye guys. Adam, will you say bye?
Bye.
Bye guys.